Sean from Relief Farm here. As you can see, the chickens are eating the fermented feed. What I've found is it actually will cut my dry feed use in half just by wetting and fermenting it. It seems that the nutrients or the probiotics help their bellies so much they actually prefer this over other food. So I make them this, and then it cuts down on the dry food. Enjoy. You can see how much pressure my hens have been getting from the roosters. I definitely have to harvest the roosters soon. That poor girl's been wailed on. That's a sin.